Hello, my name is Luna. Today I'm reading a book about condors, giant birds. Condor homes. These big birds like wide open spaces need lots of room to land. Condors fly high to look for food. They can fly for a long time. Condors can fly about as high as 10 tall skyscrapers stacked on top of each other. Condors spend hours taking care of their feathers. Condors live in high places. They dry their wings in the sun. After bathing, they make nests on rocky cliffs and in trees. Time to clean up. Sharp beaks help condors eat. Condors can eat all kinds of dead animals. They may eat a small rabbit or a big whale. Condors can eat dead animals without getting sick. Condors often share their meals. This California condor is about to eat a whale that has washed up on the beach. What makes condor a bird? A condor's bill is strong and sharp. A condor's wings can reach as wide as 10.5 feet, 3.2 miles. A condor has feathers on its body, but not on its head. A condor has strong legs and wide talons. All birds have a backbone, have feather, have wings, have a bill, lay eggs, and are warm-blooded. From the neck up, some condors have white feathers around their necks. Others are all black. Condors do not have feathers on their heads. Condor heads can change color. The color shows how the condors are feeling. Condors have no feathers on their heads. This helps them stay cleaner after they eat. Top left. An Indian mother takes care of her egg in her cave. Top right. A baby condor waits for its parents to bring food. Bottom right. Male and female condors feed their chicks. Condors grow up. Mother condors lay one egg every 2 years. Both parents take care of the egg. The baby condor comes out of the egg after 2 months. 6 months later, it starts to fly. Condors can live almost as long as a person. There are very few condors today. People watch condors to keep them safe. Scientists have tagged this condor. The tag helps people keep track of the condor. Big wings in the sky. Condors are special birds. They are some of the largest flying birds in the world. Condors are good flyers. They can fly for a long time without flapping their wings. Goodbye.